Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be trying the new brow pencil from Huda Beauty. This one is called Bone Brows Micro Shade Brow Pencil, and this is how the little box looks. Really pretty. Like all the Huda Beauty products comes in a little nice boxes, really pretty. And let me show you how the pencil looks. This is how the pencil looks. I just got it in the mail and I couldn't wait to make this video. I want to try it and show it to you guys and see how we like it. So here it is. We have a spool in one side and we have the pencil in the other side. And as you can see, the pencil is really fine. Super tiny. So we're gonna be trying it today and see how we like it. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows like the way I normally do. I had like a little incident when I opened this pencil because I wanted to do a swatch right away and the little tip broke right away. I want to show you guys. I have it right here. Oh, it fell. I normally like to fill the parts where I don't have too many hairs. And I didn't tell you guys, but I got the color caramel. I just like to shape my eyebrows. Uh-oh, it broke again. You see? I don't like that. I'm not even using it like too hard on my eyebrows and it broke. I think the pencil is a little bit too fine for people like me. I don't think I did it like that hard and it broke. I couldn't find the little piece, but you see it broke right away. So I don't like that because it's a waste of product, you know. So I have to be very careful. And as you can see, I'm holding it like with my tip of my fingers so I won't break it. But this is the second time that happens. It looks really pretty. The product is really nice. It's really easy to use. I like how tiny the tip is, but I think it's a little bit too tiny for people like me because as you can see, I already broke the pencil twice. So I don't know how I like that because I mean, this product is not gonna last me if I keep breaking it. Okay, there you have my eyebrows. This is how I normally do my eyebrows every day. And I will tell you that I feel like this pencil will not last me, you know, like not even a month. Because one, it's really fine and I will end up breaking it all the time. This is not a product for a person like me because I'm always in a rush. And I know if I use it like really fast, I'm going to end up breaking it. I don't know how you guys do your eyebrows, if you have all the time to do your eyebrows or your makeup. But I don't. Normally, I'm always in a rush. I have to get ready and go to work. So I know I'm going to end up breaking it. It already happens twice. So I don't think this product is worth it for people like me. I like it. I really like the product. I think the eyebrows look really nice. But I feel that it's a little bit expensive because this one comes with only 0.23 grams. And the brow is from Anastasia Beverly Hills comes with 0.85 grams. This one is $17 and this one is $23. I know there is a difference, but if you compare the amount of product, I feel like the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills is still better than this one from Huda Beauty. I want to show you how much product is in each pencil. You guys can see the difference in between both of them. So let me show you. This one is a brand new pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one, I mean, I just opened it today. I just tried it for the first time and look at the difference. Just keep in mind that I broke mine twice already, so it's really small. This one is not gonna last me. If I keep going, I don't think it's gonna last me a week. So I don't know. I don't think it's worth it, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. I'm sorry, I like the product. I don't think it's a bad product, but I don't think it's worth it because the amount of product that you receive is nothing. So, I mean, for me that I use my pencils every day, this one is not going to last me at all. So like I said, I really like the product, how it looks, but I don't think the amount of product that you get is enough for people like me that, you know, like always using pencils. So okay, there you have my review of the new Bone Brows from Huda Beauty. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys give me a thumbs up if you do, and also you don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.